In this video, I'm going to show you how to lock your control panel pads on your Magic Chef hmm110b or a Magic Chef hmm1110w. To lock your control panel pads, you push and hold the stop or cancel button for 3 seconds. After holding that for 3 seconds, you will hear beep. There, it's locked. Now, you can't do anything while it's locked. To unlock your control panel pads, you need to repeat this procedure. Push and hold the stop button for 3 seconds, and that disables the control panel pad lock. And there you go. That's how you lock your control panel pads on your Magic Chef hmm110b or hmm1110b. As always, thank you for watching. Over and out.